The Electric Flux Interactive Calculator solves for electric flux and related electromagnetic parameters using multiple calculation modes. Let's explore the inputs. First, there's a calculation mode dropdown with 5 options. Calculate electric flux, calculate electric field strength, calculate required surface area, calculate angle from flux, and calculate enclosed charge using Gauss's law. For this demonstration, I've selected Calculate Electric Flux. Next, enter the electric field strength E in newtons per coulomb, then input the surface area A in square meters. Add the angle theta in degrees between the field and surface normal. You can also enter electric flux Fe in newton meters squared per coulomb, and enclosed charge Q in coulombs. For our example, I'll input 10 for electric field strength, 10 for surface area, and 10 for the angle. After clicking Calculate, the results show electric flux Fe equals 98.48808 newton meters squared per coulomb. The normal component, E times cosine theta, equals 9.8481 newtons per coulomb. The interpretation explains that the field is at an oblique angle to the surface, so only the perpendicular component contributes to flux. This tool streamlines electromagnetic calculations for engineering applications. Find the link in the description below.